Hello everybody, welcome back to my Timber Reflector channel. Now we're going to do another robot vacuum video, so I guess we'll start.
Low battery, please charge.
Okay, that one needs charge. I forgot, this one is going to clean also. And this is my new roomba, you probably haven't seen yet. Just the noise is gonna be crazy. Oh, I have a couple more. Holy, yeah, motor has a problem. Could you put time lapse on?
I don't know how to do that.
Okay, I think we just have to stop it quickly. So, yeah, we're back from time lapse. I think we're ready to stop these guys and just send them straight off. Already did this time, but
I think they're confused.
bro does not know where his dog is. Looks like we need to move these movers over here so they can find their dogs. Move this stuff. Okay, should be able to now.
The shark's having some issues.
One found the stalk already.
Here we are.
Now it's on the stalk. One's on the stalk.
I think the S sign is finally finding it.
Yes, I'm finally finding it. Looks like the shark is emptying itself. Looks like the S9's emptying. One actually found the stalk. We'll make it there first. One of them trying to get to the top of the other. I thought they Bro sees the dog even though the room was already on it.
He's
Hey,
trying to...
I'm sorry. There's a robot on the dock already. Bro, could you please actually do what you're supposed to do? One just found the stalk. Now where did it? Someday, time to find a dog. Did one die? No, it's still cleaning. Trying to get to a flock. Who will make me first?
Would it be to that one?
Yeah. Did you just got an idiot?
Mm-mm.
Okay, it's finally dock. Found his dog and he's about to dock. Okay, it's not docking. Maybe I need to move this. Okay, this crossed my dog and this doesn't need it.
Okay.
Come on, dog. Go, Roomba. You can do this. This one comes on each other's dog. Ooh. Someone's looking for a dog. Can't find the difference. This is the last one.
Trying to go up on the clean base. It's not a clean base roomba.
It's not trying to dock with a clean base. So I'll show you something. Once the Roomba finds the dock, if the other people didn't notice, if it sees the dock, it's automatically, it flashes really fast. See how fast it goes when it's right next to the dock? But just go back on your dock. But shoot! Come on, go.
We were having a hard time with that dock before.
He just gotta do it by himself. But anyways, if the Roomba is not your dock, the dock that it can find, see, it won't flash really fast. See, that one's flashing really fast. It's not trying to dock on that dock. Just a helpful tip if you're not. If the room was flashing dock really fast, about to charge, then it finds the charger, then we'll go to your dock. Will it finally charge? That dog has problems. I paused it for a second. Set for time is it, I wonder. Sometimes dock is broken. Well, I hear one cleaning still. Must be my J7. Now, that's not your dock. You can clearly tell that, right? Thank God I can clearly tell it this time. Bro, that's not your dog. Come on, go to your dog already. Because this one's clearly not going to find this dog, I'm going to help it a little. Now it's everything else picked it up. Why in the world is it speaking a different... Okay, anyways. Go to your dog, Roomba. You can see it. You can finally see it and charge. I mean, sleep. Whatever. A robot. The pro Roombas. The pro professionals at Roombas call it. I think it's called a dock actually. No. It's called charging. Hey, you can go out. Now let's go into the other room because the J7 Plus cannot find the dock. It's kind of stupid. This idiot. This total idiot. You are right next to your dock. Do you have an eye? Or do you have a camera?
I mean, it's a robot, buddy.
This is really a camera. Does it have a camera or not?
Yeah, I guess it does, right?
This is literally a camera. Bro cannot see his dog. Okay.
I think you should help him out.
He pisses me off sometimes. Hey, now serving.
Okay. And that's it, right?
Yeah. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Say that again.
Make sure to like and subscribe. Well.